Blue-green algae RF sensor transmitter. In other words, cyanobacterial RF sensor transmitter. The RF and Wi-Fi blue-green algae RIoT sensor is used to detect and measure levels of blue-green algae in water. It is used in conjunction with RF Solutions RIoT-Hub. The user can view the blue-green algae levels in real time on a smartphone or PC via the internet anywhere in the world. Alerts can be set to trigger notifications and directly activate a local RF receiver unit when analyzing phycobilin concentrations, essential for detecting, quantifying, and monitoring cyanobacterial levels. This is perfect for marine and freshwater applications.
More about blue-green algae. Blue-green algae, or cyanobacteria as botanically called, occurs naturally in surface waters like rivers, streams, lakes, and ponds. The toxins in some algae can make people sick and can be fatal for pets if consumed. If you have any sighting of cyanobacteria, avoid touching it, swim or fondle in it, and do not ingest. Exposure to high levels of blue-green algae and their toxins can cause discomfort to the stomach, like diarrhea, nausea, or vomiting. You may experience skin, eye, or throat irritation and allergic reactions or breathing difficulties. Death can occur if animals consume large amounts of water containing cyanobacteria.